Hey there, welcome back to BTech channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. Bybit, one of the leading crypto exchange in the market. Whether you are expert trader or just getting started, Bybit offers a range of features that make it stand out from the crowd. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create an account, verify it, buy crypto in P2P and start trading. But before we jump into the details, let's briefly talk about what a crypto exchange is for our viewers who may be new to the crypto. In simple terms, a crypto exchange is a platform that allows you to buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies. Bybit is one such exchange and it has gained popularity for its features and user-friendly interface. So the good news is you can get bonus on Bybit. So if you registered an account, you will get the airdrop. The link is available in the video description. For new user who deposit $100 will get $50. How you can claim? Sign up for a Bybit account using my link in the video description. Claim $10 bonus from deposit and claim $20 welcome gift from Rewards Hub and claim $20 bonus for KYC from Rewards Hub. And for existing users who have not completed KYC yet, hold minimum $50 and complete KYC and get $20. You can hold $50 in funding account, go to Reward Hub and complete the KYC task and claim $20 airdrop. So click on the link in the video description. Once you are there, the registration process is straightforward. Simply enter your email address here and create a strong password. Once done, click on the sign up button. Bybit will send a confirmation email to the provided address. Open your email and enter the verification code to verify your account. Now that your account is created, now you can go to Reward Hub and you can claim your bonuses. You can see you can get 20 USDT if you deposit more than 100 USDT. And you can claim $20 bonus for KYC. Now that your account is created, let's move on to the verification process. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select account and security from the drop down menu or click on the verify now button. You will be guided through a series of steps to complete your verification. Bybit requires you to provide certain personal information and documentation such as a photo of your ID and a selfie. Follow the instructions carefully, upload the necessary documents like your ID card or passport and submit your verification request. And next you need your face verification. As you can see, your face scan was successful. Click on continue. We are processing your data. Your verification status will update in few minutes. You may stay on the page or click here to view the result. As you can see, my account has verified. Now that your account is verified, now you can also secure your account. Click on the profile icon and go to account and security. And here you can see you can set Google two-factor authentication, SMS authentication or fund password. If you want to set two-factor authentication, click on setting, enter the verification code, click on confirm. Scan this QR code into your Google Authenticator app, enter the two-factor authentication code here and click on confirm. And that's it. Now you can also set fund password. Click on settings, enter the fund password here and click on confirm. And here enter the two-factor authentication code. And that's it. And if you want, you can also enable SMS authentication. You can see your account security level is high. Please maintain a high level of security. Now that your account is verified, let's explore how to buy crypto using Bybit's P2P feature. P2P allows you to trade directly with other users, ensuring fast and secure transactions. If you want to buy or sell USDT, to start, click on the P2P tab in the top menu. Here you can select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. You can choose your currency here. And then you can choose your preferred payment method and set the amount you wish to purchase. Bybit provides various payment options including bank transfers, third-party payment processors, and even digital wallets. Once you find a suitable offer, click on Buy to initiate the trade. Here enter the amount how much you will pay to buy USDT. For example, if I write here 10,000 rupees, I will receive 31 USDT. Click on the buy now, and in the next step, you need to make the payment in the seller's account, and after payment is successful, you will get the USDT into your account within a few seconds. And same, if you have USDT and you want to sell, click on the sell tab. And here you can see here are many buyers. You can sell your USDT. You can check the price limit, and payment method. After successfully purchasing your crypto in P2P mode, now let's move on to trading on Bybit's main platform. Click on the trade and go to spot trading. Here you will find a range of trading pairs and a comprehensive chart displaying real-time market data. You can choose between perpetual contracts or traditional spot trading depending on your preference. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any coin you like. Set your desired order type such as market or limit order. If you want to buy on market price, you can go ahead, enter the amount of USDT and click on buy. And if you want to set the limit, for example, the current price of DOT is $5.44 and you want to buy in less price. Let's say you want to buy DOT when the DOT price is $5.3. You can set the limit order to 5.3. When the price will drop and it will hit to 5.3, your order will automatically execute. And same if you want to sell, click on the sell button. If you want to sell on market price, well and good, go ahead and sell. Or if you want to set the limit, for example, you want to set the price limit to $6 so you can gain maximum profit. Here I will write the price 6, enter the quantity and click on sell. When the DOT price will go up in the future and my order will automatically execute. So always remember to practice proper risk management techniques and be cautious while trading. And that's it. You now have a clear understanding of how to create an account and how you can verify it, how you can buy crypto in P2P mode and start trading on Bybit. Remember, crypto trading involves risk, so always do your research and trade responsibly. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related content. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below and we will be happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy trading.